I've been tracking restaurant scene in India for the last 30 years at a time when it was most unfashionable to do so. And I can tell you this, the last 5 years have been the most exciting. There have been standalone restaurants, new cuisines, chefs are getting younger, so much of internet, there's action at every level.
Many foreign chefs, international chefs are coming and opening up restaurants and different kinds of outlets here in India. People are traveling outside, guest knowledge and the information about cuisines, information about ingredients have increased.
So interestingly, Indian cuisine in India hasn't evolved as much as we thought it would, but it has moved in other directions. We have more regional, local cuisines coming to the fore.
People, those who didn't know about Northeast cuisine or people didn't know about the exact Chettinad food or a Gomantak food from Maharashtra. Now these things are coming on a forefront.
Fine dining is on its way out because I think it's more about casual, open all day, relaxed dining. It's not so much about fine dining. In fact, interestingly, though Japanese, Pan-Asian restaurants have opened, not a single French restaurant has opened, new one in Bombay. Restaurant owners and chefs in India have many different challenges which are not present the world over, which could be anything from the huge number of licenses needed to open a restaurant, to the manpower, to the sourcing of ingredients.
We have got a very poor supply chain. It's very difficult to procure ingredients. I'm not talking about international ingredients. Ingredients from India to get into our restaurant it's a hell of a task.
The funny thing is that I do my home shopping in India with organics. And in India, you get a lot of organics compared to what I get in Bangkok. So I think there's a lot of, it's in a very small segment, but I think in coming years, it will be much more awareness.
There is a growing information about sustainability in India, but very slowly. Very slowly. First, at the moment we are still working on our supply chains, procuring things, because farm to fork, local, all these things sounds very good, but in context of India, it's difficult. If I'll tell somebody that I'll serve a fish from Yamuna or I'll serve fresh salad leaves from the Yamuna bed, nobody will come to my restaurant.
That everybody seemed to be confident that Indian restaurants are all poised to take the lead. It's the beginning of a very exciting trend.
Like 5 years back, nobody could even think of Indian chefs, Indian restaurants in India to gain international stage.
As the jury chairperson of the World's 50 Best and Asia's 50 Best, it's really exciting that we have Asia's 50 Best because it is now showcasing the great talent we have in Asia.